In this video, we're going to check out the PHP and database settings area of the pre-update check when you're updating from Joomla 3 to Joomla 4. Hey there, Joomla fans. Tim Davis here. I'm a Joomla fan too. Thanks for tuning into this video on the Basic Joomla Tutorials YouTube channel, where I show you my favorite extensions, tools, and tips for building Joomla sites and maintaining them. This video is brought to you by mysites.guru. Head on over to mysites.guru, get a free site audit for your Joomla site, and if you decide to subscribe, use the coupon code BASICJoomla. You'll get the first month free. All right, as we turn our attention to the screen here, I'm just slowly working away on the site here, seeing what I need to do to get it to migrate to Joomla 4. And when I did the scan, which of course now we're in Components, Joomla Update, and over here in Options, we have the update channel set to Joomla Next. When I did the pre-update check, there's lots of things I still need to do on the site, but I got a warning about the required PHP and database settings. So to see what the problem is, I'm just going to click on More Detail, and you will see everything's pretty good here, but the database table structure for this website is not up to date. So I'll show you how to fix that right now. What you're going to do is, first of all, back up your site. Make sure you have a backup of your site when you're doing this stuff, especially when you're repairing the database. And of course, and you'll see from other videos in the channel, when you're migrating from 3 to 4, you might even want to test it on an entirely separate site. And you can see in the videos in the channel how to set that up. All right, so we can, once we know our site is backed up and we have one, we go to Extensions and Manage, and then we'll go to Database. All right, and we will see here, there's one database problem found. This table has the wrong type or attribute somewhere, so we're going to click Fix. There, the database table structure is all up to date. Let's go back to Joomla Components, Joomla Update, and now when the scan is completed there, we'll see everything is passed. As far as the pre-update check for migrating from Joomla 3 to Joomla 4, everything is okay for the required PHP and the database settings. So we'll be looking at some other areas on the screen and other videos. If you've got something else that's giving you a warning for the required PHP or database and you don't know how to fix it, drop me an email, tim@cybersalt.com, and we will make a video on that or see how we can help you. All right, until the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites, and God bless.